Namaste to all. Vyas Muni has very beautifully explained about the benefits of Gayatri Mantra Jap in Mahabharata. In Anushasan Parva, there is a dialogue between Yudhishthir and Bhishma Pitamaha, where Yudhishthir is asking question to Bhishma Pitamaha on by chanting which mantra on a daily basis that I will get peace of mind, or by chanting which mantra on a daily basis that I will get protection from the enemies, etc. And also I will get abhayadan, that I will be fearless by chanting which mantra. So Bhishma Pitamaha in reply speaks about Gayatri Mantra Jap. So Bhishma Pitamaha says, Ratra Vahani Darbajna Japan Papairna Lipyate Tatte Aham Sampravakshayami Shinush Vai Kamana Nripa. So this one mantra, when you do everyday jap in the morning, in the evening, in the night, at any point of time, you will get away from the sins. I am going to explain to you the benefit of this mantra. Please listen carefully, Yudhishthira. Gayatraya na paramam japyam, Gayatraya na paramam tapaha, Gayatraya na paramam dhyanam, Gayatraya na paramam hutam. There is no other mantra greater than Gayatri Mantra Jap. Though no other mantra jap greater than my Gayatri Mantra Jap, there is no other tapasya than chanting Gayatri Mantra, that is doing jap of Gayatri Mantra. Jap means not chanting loudly, jap is chanting inside the mind with the meaning. That is tapasya. It's one of the greatest tapasya, says Bhishma Pitamaha or Vyas Muni. Gayatriya na paramam dhyanam. See, in fact, Gayatri Mantra has the word dhimahi. Dare mahi iti dhimahi. Dare mahi means dharan karna. Sitting in meditation and remembering the qualities of Almighty God by chanting Gayatri Mantra is dhyana. Focusing only on Almighty God is dhyana. So Gayatriya na paramam dhyanam. This is the highest dhyana. And further he says Gayatriya na paramam hutam. Hutam means ahuti. Even when you want to put ahutis in the burning fire, try to do with Gayatri Mantra. That is paramam hutam. It is one of the most sreshtatamam karma. Every day doing yajna anushthan, putting ahutis with Gayatri Mantra is extremely beneficial. Paramam hutam, most supreme deed. Then Bhishma Pitamaha says, Ayushman bhavate chaivayam shrutva parthivatmaja Purushastu susiddhartah pretya cheha na modate cha modate pretya cheha cha modate pretya api gachanti. Pretam means dead body is pretam. Pretya means death in this janma, and after death in the coming janma also you will be in modate, you will be in anand by doing Gayatri Mantra sadhana. So one who listens this Gayatri Mantra on a regular basis, on a daily basis, and understands the meaning and does tapasya with this mantra, Ayushman, Dirga Jivi, he will become, his lifespan will increase, Dirga Jivi. And also he will get happiness inside his heart. And not only in this janma, the same benefit will be obtained by that person even in the next janma. And in the next janma also the same sanskar will be carried forwarded, and in the next janma also he will be a tapasvi. Idam ahri kamyavyagram kuruvadbhir niyataihi sada nripair bharata shardula prapyate kshiranuttama. The person who controls his indriya, the person who controls his senses, and then chants Gayatri Mantra by sitting in a place quietly, Shanti Purvak, by focusing on the meaning of Gayatri Mantra, by focusing on Gayatri Mantra. If somebody does everyday jap of Gayatri Mantra, he will get the most uttama, sarvottam sampatti. Sampatti means we can say materialistic benefit as well as we can say spiritual benefit. By chanting Gayatri Mantra, one person can get both the benefits. See, and we must understand, for chanting Gayatri Mantra, you must sit in a lonely place early in the morning, not during this time, not preferable because the sunlight is there Early in the morning before 6 o'clock or 5:30 you have darkness, and also similarly in the evening time where you have no vehicle sound, people are sleeping or people are doing tapasya. At that point of time, get up, sit down calmly, patiently, Shanti Purvak, we must do Gayatri Mantra Jap. And when you do Gayatri Mantra Jap, you must focus on mantra as well as its meaning. Buhu iti vai pranaha. When you chant Bhur, Bhuvah, Swaha, like that, Buhu, Bhur, Buhu iti vai pranaha, ya pranayati characharam jagat sa Bhuhu swayam bhurishwaraha. Buhu is the name of Almighty God because He is the creator of this characharam jagat. He is the life force of this universe. He is the one who gives us breath. Like that, we must do stuti of Almighty God. And when you focus on the stuti of Almighty God, you will get love towards Almighty God. And when you have love towards Almighty God will also love you back. Almighty God loves us always. But when we do Ashubh Karma, God will not love us. When we do Shubh Karma, when we do stuti to that Almighty God, He will listen to our prayers. He will make our mind pure. Tanme manah Shiva Sankalpamastu. Mind is not easily controllable. We need our hard work and we need the Sahayata of Almighty God. Then only this will work. And further, Bhishma Pitama says, Yana patre cha yane cha pravase raja veshmani param siddhim avapnoti savitrim hayuttamam patan. Savitri mantra, Gayatri mantra, both are same. In some shlokas, Vyasmuni has written as Savitrim. In some shlokas it is Gayatri. Both are same. Because the word in the Gayatri mantra is Tat Savitur Varenyam. Savitu is name of Almighty God. So sometimes they call it as Savitri mantra. Gayatri, Gatri, iti Gayatri. By doing pranayama, 3 means to cross over the sorrows. By doing pranayama with Gayatri mantra, crossing over the sorrows of this universe is Gayatri mantra helps in that, so that's why it's called as Gayatri. Gatri. Otherwise also Gayatri Chanda, 8 3s are 24. There are 24 sounds, syllables in this mantra. So what here it says, Yana Patre. Yana means whenever you travel in a vehicle, when you are not driving the vehicle, you are traveling in a car, you are traveling in a taxi, you are going from one place to another place in a train or a bus, try to chant Gayatri mantra, says Vyasmuni. And whenever you are going for important work like Rajya Karya, suppose you are going to meet a chief minister, prime minister, for some other work based for your business or whatever it is, or some important work, you are going outside to a place for an interview, for some important business discussions, to meet your new CEO of the company, whatever it may be, he says if you are traveling in a vehicle, try to chant Gayatri mantra. If you are not driving, see, my Acharya always says, when you are driving, don't chant Gayatri mantra. But when you are sitting aside, some driver is driving, or your brother is driving, your father, mother, somebody is driving, you are sitting in the car, chant Gayatri mantra, close your eyes and then with the meaning chant Gayatri mantra. Then what is the phala here? He says, Param Siddhi ko prapt hota hai. That person will get success in the work. He is traveling for some important work, that work will get success. Also, other than that, even the work has some problem also, he will always be in Anand. The external things will not matter to him anymore, because he is in Stuti Prarthana Upasana of Almighty God. He is loving Almighty God due to Gayatri mantra. Do you want to know the meaning of Gayatri mantra? I have made several videos. My Acharya also has explained in my channel. You can go to my Acharya Pravachans, go through the meaning spoken by my Acharya for Gayatri mantra. And then further Bhishma Pitama say, Nacha Rajabhayam Tesham Na Pishachan Rakshasat Na Agnaya Ambu Bhavana Vyalad Bhayam Tasayo Pajayate. Gayatri mantra jap, by doing this jap, you will not get bhaya, fear of Rajya, of Raja, of politicians. Today, in today's words, some councillor is troubling me, some minister is troubling me, some MLA is troubling me, this kind of problems happen. So he says you will not get this fear. Pishacha. Pishacha are those people who are violent people, non-veg eaters. Not general non-veg eaters, but they are more violent people. Then Rakshas Vritti Wale. From them also you will be fearless. And also from the Mahabhuta, Agni, Jal, Vayu, and from Sarpam, from the snake bite. You will not have fear of snake bite. This is one of the benefit of Gayatri Mantra Jap. And further, Maharishi Vyasa Muni and Bhishma Pitama says, Chaturnam api varnanam ashram asya visheshatah karoti satatam shantim savitrim uttamam patam. Savitri means Gayatri Mantra by patam, by listening Gayatri Mantra, by chanting Gayatri Mantra, by doing jap of Gayatri Mantra. Who has to do? Chaturnam api varnam. All the varnas. Veda speaks about varnashramam, not caste system. All the varnas. Chatur varnam, every human being must chant Gayatri Mantra, whether it is male or female. And then Visheshatah, you must chant Gayatri Mantra Visheshatah in the ashrams. In the ashram means whether you are a brahmacharya or grihastha or vanaprasthi or sannyasi, Gayatri Mantra chant has to be done. And then when you do this activity, Shanti, Shanti stapit hota hai. You will secure peace establishment everywhere, inside your heart, outside your heart, in your house, in your society where you are working. You will secure that a peace is established. That's why this mantra is to be chanted by every human being. Unfortunately, we are living in those times where people say, especially in the South India, the caste Brahmin community, they say ladies should not chant Gayatri Mantra, whereas Vyas Muni says everyone should chant Gayatri Mantra. And next shloka by Bhishma Pitama is Na Agnir Dahati Kashtani Savitri Yatra Patyate Na Bhalo Mriyate Tatra Na Cha Tishtanti Pannagaha. Yatra Savitri Patyate, wherever there is sadhana tapasya of Gayatri Mantra, somebody is doing Gayatri Mantra jap every day, in that place, even if his house is made of kast, means lakadi, if his house is made of wood, then aag nahi lagegi wahan par. The house cannot be burnt by anybody. Like, thunderstorm, lightning is happening, then sometimes the wood catches fire. That kind of situation will not happen. And also you will be protected by Almighty God even if you live in a wooden house. And further, in that house, young persons will not die. Young persons means small age, small kids. There won't be abortion, there won't be death of small kids. Everybody will have Dirga Jivi. They will die at the appropriate time only. After settling everyone in the family, they will die peacefully. And then also, in that place, in that house, the snake cannot enter. The snake will not enter. See the Ashirvad of Vyas Muni. This is the Vachan of a Brahma Rishi. Brahma Rishi has written this Vachan. My Acharya always says, if a Brahma Rishi speaks something, 100% that will happen. So here it is the Ashirvad blessings of Vyas Muni. Vahan par samp nahi tikte. The snake cannot enter there. The snake cannot stay there. Even if the snake is there, for example, by chance the snake has come, the snake won't bite you. This is the assurance of Vyas Muni. Na tesham vidyate dukham gacchanti paramam gatim ye shridvanti mahad brahma savitri guna kirtanam. One who listens to Savitri Mantra, Gayatri Mantra, Kirtana. Kirtanam is always sung by Rishi Muni Tapasvis. So when you have chance to listen Gayatri Mantra part by Acharya, Rishi Muni Tapasvis, listen to that. My Acharya always sing Gayatri Mantra. Whenever you go and meet my Acharya will start with Gayatri Mantra. Because my Acharya says, this mantra is Atyant Priya for all the Rishi Munis. So if in your house you are doing Gayatri Mantra Kirtanam, you are listening to Kirtanam, you are singing Kirtanam, you are putting avutis. Now I am sitting in front of Homagunda, it's hot. My daughter just finished the how this. I was telling my daughter, when you are going to college, you are in a hurry, but do havan with focus. Don't be in a hurry when doing havan. So this is the advice I always give to my daughter. So similarly for all of us, including myself, sometimes what happens, I'm in a hurry. I have to go to office at 7 o'clock in the morning. So at 5:30 itself I'm nervous. So sometimes I'm unable to focus on the mantra. That is wrong. That is against the Vedic Dharma. So when you do kirtanam of Gayatri Mantra, when you do jap, when you do homa with Gayatri Mantra, he says dukkham gachan dukkham na dukkham vidyate. Wahan par dukh nahi hoga. You will escape from the dukkha, and also you will enter into moksha marga. Paramagati means gati means movement. Param gati means the movement towards moksha. And then further Vyasmuni says gavam madhye tu pathato gavo asya bahuvatsalah prasthane pravase va sarvavastham gatah paten. Prasthane, when you are leaving from a place, when you are coming towards a place, chant Gayatri Mantra if the situation is there. Don't chant Gayatri Mantra when you are walking on the road because you may slip down. Don't chant Gayatri Mantra when you are cycling or driving a car because you may hit somewhere. But when there is a possibility, chant Gayatri Mantra. And Gavam Madhye, when you chant Gayatri Mantra, when you have a cow, or you are having cows in your house, or you are having bakri in your house. There are some people, who grow bakri, vegetarian people also, to take that milk. They have love towards the pet. So he says, when you chant Gayatri Mantra, when you sit with them and then chant Gayatri Mantra, and they will come and Vatsalya means they will come and love you with affection, with prem. The animals will get attracted towards you. That's the benefit of Gayatri Japa. And further, lastly, he says, Japatam Juhuvatam Chaiva Nityam Cha Prayatatmanam Rishinam Paramam Japyam Guhyame Tannaradipah. Guhyame Atyant Gopaniya mantra. This mantra is most secretive mantra. Every mantra is secretive. This mantra also is very secretive. And Rishinam Paramam, every Rishi likes this mantra. As I told, my Acharya likes this mantra because it is a complete mantra in itself, which is having Stuti Prarthana Upasana. Only one mantra in Vedas which has complete worship of Almighty God is Gayatri Mantra. So he says, Japatam Juhvatam Chaiva Nityam Cha Prayata Atmanam. You must chant Gayatri Mantra by Shuddha Chitta. Keep your mind pure, keep your mind calm, try to focus on Gayatri Mantra. And also try to Juhatam Rishinam. Rishi Munis also from their tapasvi times, tapasya times, they would have put ahutis of this mantra. They put ahutis of this mantra because it is Atyantu Gopaniya. It has got so much of benefit, what I have explained, and also many other benefits which is not mentioned here. Chitta Vritti Nirodha bhi ho jata hai. When you chant Gayatri Mantra every day, when you chant Almighty God's name every day, at one point of time your Chitta Vritti Nirodha means Ekagrata stage. The Chitta will get focused on one thing, that is Almighty God. Rest all the things you will forget. That is the most highest benefit of human life. Samadhi is the last stage. But before Samadhi in this Janma, we must try to go towards Ekagrata. So when you chant Gayatri Mantra, yesterday also I have explained, try to sit in Padmasan, like or Siddhasan. Try to sit and then try to keep your neck and body straight. Focus in between the eyebrows here at this point. My Acharya has written this procedure in the website also. Like I am going to chant in or do jap of one Gayatri inside my mind. You see here how long it will take. Om. So when you chant Gayatri mantra, try to keep your body relaxed. You might have pain somewhere, forget the pain. Try to keep your body relaxed. Sit on a comfortable position in Siddhasana, Padmasana, or normal, by sitting normally. Or if you are having knee pain, etc., try to sit on a comfortable chair. Try to focus here and keep your face relaxed. Focus inside here in this point and then chant Gayatri mantra. Minimum 3 times to start the day in the morning, 3 times, then chant Om Jap, and then when you have time, for example, you still have 15 minutes to do Homa, then do chanting of Gayatri Mantra 15 minutes with aram se with the meaning and word to word meaning. Like when you chant Om, my Acharya has written this in the website, it's Atyantu Gopaniyam. Many people have this wrong understanding also that we cannot even chant Gayatri Mantra. No, that is not secretive. The meaning is secretive, the method is secretive. So my Acharya has written, when you chant with each and every word meaning. Like when you chant Om, tell the meaning, then Bhuhu iti vai prana hai, prana dene wala Paramatma. Try to give more stuti to Almighty God, then you can understand Almighty God more. Focus always here. When you focus here, don't think that somebody is ringing the bell. Oh, I have kept milk on the in the stove. I have to go and switch it off. So the maid will come. I have to go to office. Don't think anything. Think only about Almighty God and His stuti. Prarthana. Bargo devasya dhimahi. Upasana is dhimahi. Prarthana is Diyo yonah prachodayat. Make my intellect pure. Make my intellect, actually Diyo yonah prachodayat also has a meaning that make my intellect to realize Vedas, to understand Vedas, give the knowledge of the Vedas in my intellect, in my buddhi. This kind of prarthana is there in Gayatri Mantra. So by chanting this Gayatri Mantra every day, you will get all the benefit in this, in this Mahabharata, whatever Vyasa has written, Vyasa Muni and Bhishma Pitamaha, all this benefit will come to us. This benefit are not only Bhautikvad, there is also spiritual benefit. So this is a very, very important advice and Vardhan given by our Rishi Munis. We must try to listen this kind of information on a daily basis so that we get inspired to do Gayatri Jap. Thank you so much. Namaste. Om.